Good morning, Director Sir, CEO Sir, Principal Ma'am, Headmaster Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, parents, children, teachers, and everybody. Today is a very important and special day for all of us as we celebrate our winners. We celebrate hard work, sincerity, and perseverance. Remember, children, you all are winners because of your self-discipline and dedication. We begin today's program by lighting of the lamp and singing the school prayer.
आत्मदीप जलाओ अपने मन मंदिर में, आत्मदीप जलाओ, आत्मदीप जलाओ। कोटि सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा, कोटि सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा, अपने मन में दिव्य स्वरूपा, अपने मन में दिव्य स्वरूपा। आत्मदीप जलाओ, आत्मदीप जलाओ। दिव्य ज्योति ज्ञान ज्योति प्रेम ज्योत जलाओ, आत्मदीप जलाओ, आत्मदीप जलाओ।
Ma Saraswati, bless us with wisdom, clarity of speech, and purity of thought. Our children will now present the Saraswati Vandana. May I invite our headmistress, Ma'am Runa Chatterjee, to deliver the annual report.
Namaste and good morning to everyone. Our 18th academic year came to a close in March 2020. As always, the events calendar was full of a host of activities that are a part of a school year. Over the last academic year, the school has walked down many diverse paths where our children have not only learned new skills but also excelled in various activities. Our school has given access to different kinds of learners providing support and scaffolding to ensure success. Our results in ICSE, ISC, IBDP, IGCSE, and in iOS get better each year. Our students are well placed in schools and colleges within the country and abroad. The wide canvas of opportunities provides the learners scope to acquire skills, learn concepts and life skills, ensuring a holistic development. We are proud of these achievements and the overall development of our children in the fields of academics, sports, cultural, and co-curricular activities. A report on the academic year 2019-20. Inter-school events. Our students participated in the following inter-school events. Classes 4 and 5 participated in Ulhas, the inter-school fest of South Point School. In the event Color Point, Abheri Ghosh of class 5 stood first. In Shonglab, the inter-school literary fest of the Heritage School for classes 4 to 8, Devangi Das and Mohammad Hamza Hassan stood first in role play. In the junior girls basketball team, in the tournament, the Heritage School stood first. Students from classes 4 and 5 participated in the music fest hosted by Calcutta International School, where our children won the trophy for the most promising choir. Our children participated in the International English Olympiad, National Cyber Olympiad, National Science Olympiad, and International Mathematics Olympiads and have received zonal gold medals, certificates of zonal excellence, cash awards, and gifts. In Mathemagic, Rohan Banerjee of class 5 was among the top 30. In ASSET conducted by Educational Initiatives for children of classes 3, 4, and 5, 9 children ranked outstanding and 56 children got distinction. In the inter-school filmmaking competition at Don Bosco Lilua, Showtime, Devansh Basu of class 5 received the Best Actor award. In-house events, orientation for new parents is organized to share with them the vision mission of the school and our systems. Mr. Vikram Swarup, Chairman School Managing Committee, addressed the parents. Bridging Gaps and Parichai held in the beginning of the academic year gives parents and teachers an opportunity to meet and share class practices, systems, and expectations. Coffee meets were attended by a large number of parents. The interaction with the principal, headmistress, headmaster, coordinators, and counselors and teachers helped to address the concerns of the parents. To facilitate a smooth transition, the principal, headmaster, headmistress, coordinators, junior and middle school met the parents of the children of class 5 going to class 6 on the 14th of March 2020. On the 21st of January, selected students of classes 4 and 5 participated in a cultural program on the occasion of a walk for mental health. The children of class 4 attended a literary meet at Victoria Memorial on the 24th of January. Children enjoyed the summer and winter camps and the Gurukul sports camps. On Foundation Day, the annual Havan in the auditorium was attended by teachers and students. In the Foundation Week, celebrations, age-appropriate activities were held at different levels. Iskule Bioscope, a workshop on the use of films in teaching Bengali, was conducted for the children of classes 4 and 5 who take Bengali as their second language. One Nation Reading Together was observed where children read storybooks at a designated time. Imprint was held for classes 4 to 9 where children displayed excellent literary work. National and international days and religious festivals were celebrated through special assemblies. Children put up a wonderful assembly for World Disability Day. On Teachers' Day, students felicitated their teachers and it was a joy watching the children performing with such confidence and perfection. Children from classes 1 to 5 thoroughly enjoyed the program put up by the teachers and the Ankuran children enjoyed the outdoor activities and the special menu on Children's Day. Children were taken on excursions both within the city and outside. Class 4 went to Shantiniketan, Nehru Children's Museum, BITM, and Class 5 went to Tajpur and the Indian Museum for educational trips. Children of classes 4 and 5 went to Eco Park for their class picnic. Activity week for classes 4 and 5 included reading, speaking, listening activities, inter-house competitions, and also cleaning up the classrooms. As a part of our International Connect program, ISA, our children exchanged emails, letters, connected over Skype with school children from United Kingdom, Germany, Poland, France, USA, Brazil, to name a few. The inclusion program at the Heritage has grown over the years. Parents have faith and trust in our special needs department that prepares IEPs for students based on their abilities, keeping in mind short-term and long-term academic goals. In order to steer and guide children to cope with different kinds of pressures, life skill workshops are designed and conducted by our school counselors. Ma'am Ushashi Ghosh has authored English grammar books and Ma'am Anupa Banerjee has authored textbooks for English and social studies. Ma'am Ishita Basu has won a silver medal at the West Bengal State Philatelic Exhibition. Teachers of Ankuran to class 5 attended the Kolkata International Storytelling Festival. Continuous teacher training programs, keeps us up to date with the current trends in education, both nationally and internationally. Our special educators attended CRE workshops to upgrade their knowledge and retain their registration numbers. Continuous upgradation in the use of technology has made our teaching learning very effective and interactive, especially in the new normal. The skating squad of the Heritage School participated in the Kolkata Inter-School competition on the 6th of April and won 7 prizes in total. Students of classes 4 to 12 were invested by Principal Ma'am Sapru in the presence of Honorable Air Chief Marshal Shri Arup Raha. On the occasion of the 5th International Day of Yoga on 21st June 2019, Mr. Rohit Agarwal, a classical Hatha Yoga teacher and volunteer with Isha Foundation, conducted an hour-long yoga session for the students as well as teachers in the school auditorium. The annual Prize Day of the primary school was held on the 24th of June 2019. The guests of honor were our ex-heritants, Mr. Mukund Maheshwari, Mr. Harshit Gohil, and Dr. Avarna Agarwal. Arshia Datta, a student of class 5, was declared as the Student of the Year. Dronacharya House won the trophies for academic and co-curricular activities. On the 27th of July 2019, students of classes 4 and 5 of the Heritage School put up a concert titled Anubhuti. The guest of honor was an ex-heritant and accomplished musician and percussionist, Mr. Aditya Datta. On the 1st of August 2019, the swimming gala for the primary school was held. Mr. Rahul Patwari, an ex-heritant, graced the occasion as the guest of honor. Chanakya House was declared the overall winner of the event. The Heritage School students of classes 5 to 9 had an enriching session with Mr. Kaustav Chaudhary, Secretary General, Kolkata Astronomy Centre, on the 6th of September 2019. He talked about India's second lunar experience, Chandrayaan-2. It was a literary treat for the students when 4 authors visited the Heritage School for an interactive session on the 4th of November 2019. Sonia Mehta and Deepak Dalal interacted with the children of classes 3, 4 and 5. On the 14th of December 2019 was the annual sports day for the students of classes 3, 4 and 5. Mr. Sanjay Kumar Rai, an Indian track and field athlete, was the chief guest for the event. Mr. Divyanshu Moore, an alumni, was the guest of honor. The event was held at the newly created Heritage Sports Complex, which boasts of a picturesque and sprawling field. Chanakya House lifted the House trophy, Patanjali House got the Discipline Cup, and Aryabhat House won the Drill Cup. Renowned author Ms. Nandana Devsen visited the Heritage School on the 14th of January 2020. She had an interactive reading session with the students relating to her 3 books which had been published. Celebrated author Ruskin Bond visited the Heritage School on the 28th of January 2020 for the launch of his latest book, Happy Birthday World. The author shared insights about his literary journey with his fans and answered a score of questions. The interaction with the legendary author was a memorable experience for all the students as well as the teachers. The Heritage School hosted its pre-primary school concert, Showtime, on the 1st of February 2020. It was a playlet performed by 550 children. Mrs. Swati Saravi, a member of the school managing committee, graced the occasion along with the other school dignitaries. The parents, grandparents, and teachers in the audience enjoyed the journey back to Toy Square. Vipasha Paul of class 4C has made us proud by winning many awards in karate at different state, zonal, and national competitions. Graduation Day, held on the 13th of March 2020 for Ankuran 3, is a special day for our parents when our little heritants take a big leap from Ankuran to Ankur. My grateful thanks to our management, the Kalyan Bharti Trust, all our trustees, Director Sir, CEO Sir, and CFO Sir for their support and guidance. My warm gratitude to all our parents for trusting and having faith in us. I convey my thanks to our team at the Heritage. Ma'am Sapru, our proactive principal, who has always guided and encouraged us. Headmaster Sir, Commander Day Sir, our coordinators, all the teachers, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Mitra and the admin team, our infirmary nurses, our secretaries and receptionists, with a special note of thanks for Ma'am Jyoti. My sincere thanks to Sodexo, the facility staff, security staff and the DBs. My special thanks to each and every one of them for their involvement and commitment. A big thank you to Ma'am Ushashi Ghosh, the coordinator for classes 4 and 5, Ma'am Noyan Mukherjee, Ma'am Shohini Anand, Shomitra Sir, Mr. Pani and his system admin team for their continuous support and cooperation in helping to make this event a grand success. I end my report with these famous lines by John Dewey: arriving at one goal is the starting point to another. Wishing you good health and happiness. Thank you. May I invite our headmaster, Mr. Darrell Christopher Christensen, to address the audience.
Namaste. The Heritage School has a dynamic discipline policy which has been developed with a positive step-ladder approach, keeping the best interests of our children in mind. Faced with the current global pandemic, we have issued protocols for the transaction of all online academic and co-curricular activities using Google Classroom, covering the do's and don'ts for students and staff of our school. As we are heading towards a scenario for blended learning, where we may have online and face-to-face classes, we have put protocols in place which govern the training, sanitization, and safety of all concerned. The Heritage School academic and non-academic staff and all support staff, including the security, facility, and Sodexo, are being trained under the auspices of qualified personnel from reputed hospitals, Ruby General Hospital and Charnock Hospital. The training covers all matters of personal safety and hygiene, and the deep cleaning cum sanitization of all buses, classrooms, dining halls, toilets, common areas, and laboratories as per the guidelines laid down by the MHRD, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, directives of the state government and CISC, New Delhi. All students and staff will be expected to wear the correct regulatory mask at all times within the school premises, and each must carry hand sanitizers, drinking water, and their own stationery. Classroom accommodation, timings, and sessions will be governed by central and state government directives. For any medical emergency, there are trained nurses on the premises and an exclusive quarantine room. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite Principal Ma'am to address us.
Good morning, everyone. Mr. Prabir Roy, Director, Kalyan Bharti Trust. Mr. Pradeep Agarwal, Chief Executive Officer, Kalyan Bharti Trust. Parents, colleagues, and my very dear children. I am honored to be presenting my 14th report as the Principal of the Heritage School. We are proud to be an inclusive school offering qualifications for the learners of all abilities. Our ICSC, ISC, IBDP, IGCSC, and NIS results have been brilliant, like every year. And parents, this is for you to know that every year at the national level, we secure a position among the top 3 ranks. And this year too, although the council has not declared any position this year, but our student, Indrani Ghosh, is the 2nd ranker at the national level. So we can applaud for her, all of us. We are very, very happy because of this. And our achievements in sports, activities, and our outreach programs say it all for the holistic teaching and learning at the Heritage School. We participated at the national level in basketball, archery, rifle shooting, athletics, swimming, and chess, and won many accolades. We were champions at the national level for debate, quiz, creative writing, art. Now, this we're talking about at the national level, where the best of the schools, they were competing with each other, and we were national level champions for debate, quiz, creative writing, art, and for theatre at the state level. We believe in community service for which all students devote a minimum of 20 hours. So providing employment to the tribal people by marketing handicrafts, teaching poor children, cultivating mushrooms, tending to patients, aged and little children in orphanages, providing braille-enabled computers to sight-impaired, and bringing awareness about the environment are a few of the initiatives taken by the school. They say that there exists a thin dividing line that separates a good school from a truly great school. And I'm extremely happy to say that in our 20th year, we are moving steadily along the journey to greatness. And it is a pleasure to be accompanied on this journey by so many wonderful people. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We now come to that part of the program that you were eagerly waiting for, the junior school prize distribution ceremony, prizes for class 4s followed by the class 5s. Enjoy yourselves. Congratulations, children. Congratulations to all our children. Remember, the competition is not against one another. The competition is with your own self. We better ourselves each year. May we now rise for the national anthem.